Today's video, I'll be showing you guys the most underrated wig tool that you probably do not also have, and everyone knows about this. This is honestly one of the best things you can do for your wig, especially when you're a girl who doesn't exactly like stress or going to the stylist every single time they want to wear their wigs to restyle for them. This is like the easiest things you can do by yourself and in the comfort of your home. So I'm going to open it, and I just purchased this one. Obviously, the claws, bows, which are like essentials. So I'm going to put that on my wrist. So this, honestly, this is the tea. You need this. Trust me when I say you need this. Ah, that's my baby. Wow. Hi, baby. Mommy is filming. We're going to have a lot of distractions. So the first thing we want to do is comb the hair. What's that, baby? What's baby? Tell me. What? Oh, we're at the beach. Oh, we went to the beach yesterday. It has to be like two equal halves, like this. Then place it over your head. Shimamanda, this is very secure now. Just watch me carefully, okay? Please don't miss anything, because this is like a need. Trust me. I've been using this for the longest, and it's been so helpful, honestly. It's been so helpful, and this is why I had to purchase another one. So I'm going to be using the ball to secure this hair in place, like this. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. It's like a traditional sewing. This is also like the perfect wig tool for you. You're going to just do this, and you can flip it over like this and use your hair on it. Okay, so easy. We're going to take this out in 2 days, and we'll come back and see what we have. Love you. Oh, the clip. Okay, this looks nice. No one can tell me otherwise. I'm going to do like a little bit of touch up. Ooh, gorgeous. You can even do it overnight, or whichever one that works for you, honestly. For someone who likes perfection, I am going to do some extra, just a little bit of touches, just so it looks better. Tresemme heat spray. This is like my all-time fave. So I'll just spray it on the area that I intend to use the hot comb on. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to coil up this front just a little bit. Apply the heat spray. Girl, you better be careful. Or you use a heat glove to hold on to the curls like this. So my stylist said I should always brush all the way back, then bring it forward like this. Do you know what's annoying? I have nowhere to go. Ugh.